DJing has played a major part in my life for the last 30 plus years. I've been a club DJ for over 30 years. I've been a tour DJ for Brainpower for the last 28 years. And I've been creating educational content for DJs on DJ TLM TV for almost 15 years now. During that entire time, I've also made music, made beats, but it was always a side project just because I did not have more time. Now in 2026, DJ TLM, aka The Last Mohican, is giving The Last Mohican his turn. And that first result is this right here, Chapter 1. My debut mix album is out now. I selected 19 beats, and instead of just putting those beats on an album like a beat tape and releasing that, I took those 19 beats and I mixed them. That's the DJ side of me. I mixed them together into one track. So it's one vibe. I want this to be like just a listening experience. We're living in this short attention span, skip culture era. I just don't want to support that. All the beats on the album were made with Machine. That is what I use to make my music. After that, everything was mixed in Logic. Then it was sent off to mastering. And then when I got the master tracks back, I made the mix. And that's how I ended up with the final product. But I will be making videos to show y'all more about the creation part of how I make my beats, how I made these songs, and how I did the mix and the scratches, you name it. All right, so stay tuned for that. See y'all soon. The Last Mohican Chapter 1 available right now. DJTLMTV.com, alwaysinYellow.com, and Bandcamp. Peace.